Hey guys, welcome back to Toys Unboxing.
I'm Eliel.
I'm Karla, and
And
today
today
we're doing a crazy challenge with eggs.
I call it the Yolk challenge.
Well, on these eggs, you may have noticed that we are outside. And so for some of these eggs, some of them are hard-boiled and some of them are raw.
I'm gonna get yolk in my head.
And then some of them are surprises in them.
Yolk's on you.
So let's get started. For the rules for this game are to not get the yolk.
So
Or-
if you get a yolk, you lose a point. But if you get confetti, you get a point.
Yeah. And don't forget, before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave your notifications
And ring that bell button.
so you can get notified when we post another video. We'll give you 5 seconds to get subscribed. 5,
Five,
4, 3.
3, 2, 1, done.
So let's get started. Okay, so
Okay,
I'm
I
gonna-
remember I picked this one.
I wanna pick
I
this
picked this one. Okay, 1.
Oh no, okay. Okay, you go first, Oh!
Oh, it's confetti!
Oh, so you got a point.
Got confetti. Some potty. Oh my god, I went up my spine!
Okay, you ready?
Go, 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 go. 1, 2. You got jokes. That's why I said jokes on you.
Ew.
Oh, get you. Ooh, jokes on that egg.
Okay.
That
Okay.
egg.
Oh, that's nasty. Okay, next one.
Okay, I picked this one. I pick. I know. I'll pick this one.
Ew!
I picked. I just picked this one.
Don't pick this one. Okay, 1, 2.
Me?
Yeah, you go first. I have like yolk. What do you say?
That's hard boiled.
Let me see. Oh! Oh, there's a yolk coming out my spine.
Oh,
As you can see, we're wearing mismatched socks.
ew. Ew, look. It's hard boiled. I
Ready?
thought all of them were raw.
Say.
Oh.
What is going on today?
My mom is tricky.
Ew! I'm not wearing socks. Well, I am wearing socks.
Whoa.
Ew.
It's gross.
Okay, next one.
I think
I'm
this
doing
one.
This one.
Okay,
I got
one.
powder all over me.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
can I go first?
Yeah. Did you get?
I got powder.
I have 1 point. Well, I think I have 0 points. You have 0
I
points
have-
too.
No, I have 1 point. Oh yeah,
Oh,
I got
yeah.
0 points.
Because we take away 1. So, round 3.
Do.
You think? Please not be yolk. Please.
You got jokes.
No.
So you got jokes.
Ow! My hair's crispy.
Oh, I didn't get that much dirty though.
I didn't get nothing. Oh.
Okay, I picked this one. I picked this one.
I hate yolk.
Pick this one. I think this one's good.
Okay. I'll pick this one.
One.
Round
Me.
4.
Me. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Oh!
I got confetti.
I got yoked.
You like my crispy
I
eggs?
got yoked. I got yoked. How cold is it?
Where?
It's on my
Let me
back.
see, let me see.
Karla!
Look at my side.
Look
See, I
at
got some yolk shells. I
Look
got
at
some
mine.
powder, and I got some confetti.
I got some confetti, hard boiled egg, powder, and yolk.
Okay, guys. So
Oh, I
round 5.
I picked this one.
Don't. I have. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What's this? Powder! Again! I got powder. Okay. You lose a point. Oh!
Ow! It's in my eyeball.
Oh my god.
You look in my nose. I'm
And
gonna
it's
take
windy.
a hard shower tonight.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. We only got 4 eggs left.
Oh, look at my hands. Round
1,
6.
2.
3.
What is this, confetti? Yeah, confetti!
I'm not even gonna try anymore.
What did you get? Yolk.
Please. please subscribe and like this video. Ah, it's coming down. Look.
I got confetti.
It's in my eyeball.
I'm gonna get this one because it looks good.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
Please don't be hard boiled.
Please be hard boiled. Please.
I know it's gonna be yolk or hard boiled.
Please be hard boiled. I'm praying. Please. 1, 2.
It's hard boiled.
Oh really? Then I didn't try.
Hard boiled. Yolk. How many are there?
I got hard boiled.
They're blowout holes. I can see it. I can see it in my eyes. There's me. Confetti!
Ready?
I got confetti.
1.
I got confetti. I got confetti.
What is this?
I got confetti.
Let's get that good. Some right here.
Oh no! No! Not.
And then we have confetti!
Okay.
Okay, guys. So, I lost.
You made me worship.
No. It's cold.
Okay.
Really? You want to try?
Oh no.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like it. Please like, because there's
Please
joy.
like and I'm dirty.
Please like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button so you can get notified when we post another video. And
Faced by aliens! Aliens coming!
please subscribe.
To
Look at my head!
World!
Look at my head!
You need a cut right now.
Yeah. Anyways, hope you like and subscribe and make sure to hit that
This
like
dirty
button
mess.
because we need
Oh
those
my
likes.
god, guys, you never told me I had yolk on my shoulder.
So yeah,
I
Bye.
won.
We love you.
I still won. Bye. I still won.